Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got another iPhone 14 related video. Today is going to be a case unboxing and review, and this one is from Spigen. This is the Ultra Hybrid Magsafe case. This is the crystal clear one where you can see the back and sides of the phone. And if you're someone who is lucky enough to get one of the iPhone 14s, this is a great way to still see the back of the phone. And Spigen is a great company. They have some great products. So I'm really excited to take a look at their newest case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you guys do like what you see in the video, I will link the case down below to Amazon so that you can pick one up for yourself, and I believe that Spigen is making the cases for all 4 of the iPhone 14 models. It's a super cost-effective case and I just can't wait to take a look at it. I got mine in the carbon fiber finish. This case in particular has 3 different finishes. They have carbon fiber, graphite, and white. The case itself is of course still going to be clear, but the colors that you can choose are basically just the finish for your Magsafe ring. That's the only part of the case that's going to be colored. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the case. Okay, so here's the box. It's pretty simple. We've got the Spigen logo on the top left. We've got the product image right here, so you can kind of see what I was talking about, how the Magsafe ring is the only colored part of the case. And I'm hoping that carbon fiber ring looks really good and accents the silver 14 Pro Max that I have. But anyways, that is the front, that's the back. That's the side, very minimal packaging here, just the Spigen logo, and then the other side, that's the top, that's the bottom. Now let's open it up. So we've just got a little pull tab here, so earth friendly, which their packaging has changed. This is obviously going to be easily recycled. Let's take the case out. Just a clear plastic bag, and then just pull that. You get some paperwork here, so it's just promoting their MagFit collection. So they have a bunch of like MagSafe compatible accessories. So that's that. Now on to the case itself. It's a very firm, clear plastic. Like there's some plastic cases like the ESR one that I reviewed where it's a little bit more bendy and has a little bit more give, but this one is definitely a little bit more sturdy. Like the only part that's bending really is right here in the corner of the camera. Everything else is pretty solid. Like you can kind of see right here, basically where my thumb is, that's when the bend starts. Everything else is pretty straight. We get a little sticker to protect the case, which is always nice. Then we get one on the inside as well, so I'll take that off. Right away, the first thing that I'm noticing is how premium this like MagSafe ring is on the case. That's probably one of the best magnets I've seen on any MagSafe cases. I think that is going to be a very strong connection, but of course we'll be testing that out. First, let's put this thing on my phone. So we've got the 14 Pro Max. We'll insert it into the Spigen case. Super easy, just press down on all of the corners here. Boom, and boom. Everything just snaps into place. Right off the bat, I gotta say it feels very comfortable in the hands. You can see that the case lips over the front display pretty well, so that's going to provide some decent shock absorption if you drop your phone face down. So I'm really liking the lips so far. Let's test out the buttons. Really easy to click, which is always a great thing. Some cases make them super difficult to press down, and this one definitely does not do that. So that's good. Now let's take a look at the back here. So I think the carbon fiber looks really clean. I'm a huge sucker for carbon fiber. It's one of my favorite design choices for pretty much any accessory. So the fact that it looks this good with the silver iPhone, I'm just loving it so far. Then you can see here we're getting a pretty decent lip surrounding the cameras to protect those. On this angle right here, you can see that the lip goes above the actual camera itself, so that's going to provide some pretty good protection from scratches or just damage to the camera overall. Because this year with the 14 Pro cameras specifically, the cameras are just absolutely huge, so companies had to really raise those lips on all of the cases in order to protect them. So I'm glad that Spigen of course did that. Now something else that I'm really liking about this case is the sides. You can easily see the finish of the stainless steel. It's reflective still and everything, which is exactly what I wanted. You've got minimal branding on the case too. It just says Spigen on the bottom left. Then it just says air cushion technology pointing to the top corner here. So I think what they did here was they just put a little bit more air in the actual corner for drop protection. And the last thing that I'll talk about regarding the case itself is really just the buttons and the cutouts. So the buttons here, you don't get anything super fancy. It is just going to be that plastic material that goes on the volume up and down and the power button. Some cases like this might put like some aluminum aluminum or stainless steel buttons or something, but this one is just plastic, which is totally fine, but it's not going to give you that super premium feel. Then for the volume rocker button, the cutout is actually pretty big, so it's very easy to switch. Then on the bottom, the cutouts are pretty much perfect for the speakers and the lightning port, and then we get the air cushion technology on the bottom corners as well. So overall, very protective case that looks very nice. I really like the carbon fiber finish for the MagSafe ring. I think it looks awesome, especially with the silver iPhone 14 Pro. Just look at the carbon fiber. It's done really well on this case. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing of the case. Now let's move on to my final thoughts. So guys, I'm really liking the case. I think this is one of the better clear cases that you can get, especially because the build quality is good, the price is good, and you get a bunch of different options. You can go with graphite, carbon fiber, or a white MagSafe ring. Personally, I really like the look of this right here. You've got the white back with the carbon fiber, and then the cameras have like the stainless steel accents to it. I think it looks really clean, and I'm sure it will look really good on your phone, showing off the new color of your iPhone 14. Like I said, if you want to pick one up for yourself, there is a link down below. It will help the channel out, of course. And quickly before we end the video, I'll show you guys the magnet strength from the case to a MagSafe accessory. So just click it into place, and there you go. You can shake it, do whatever you need to do with it, and it won't go flying off. Like I've been saying, Spigen makes some really great high quality products, so I wouldn't expect it to just go flying. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching my quick unboxing and review of the Spigen Crystal Clear MagSafe case. I've got a ton of other videos coming, so stay tuned for those, but for now, this is the end of this one. Thank you again for watching, and if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Other than that, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.